Every plastic bottle begins far before the factory floor. Here, crude feedstock is broken down into usable components. Refinement turns chaos into controlled chemistry.
Heat and pressure reshape molecules into future materials.
From liquid to solid, form begins to emerge. Uniformity is essential for industrial precision.
Raw material is now ready for manufacturing.
The journey continues toward transformation. Industrial supply chains never sleep. Raw materials move with purpose and precision. Nothing enters without verification. Logistics align with production demand. Precision begins before production starts. Every transfer must be airtight and exact. Material flows toward its next form. The factory is now ready to begin. Inside these walls, raw material gains purpose. Control begins with disciplined routine. Clean environments protect consistency. Scale defines modern manufacturing. Material delivery never stops.
Preparation sets the pace.
Heat transforms potential into motion.
Precision begins at the mold.
Production is now in motion. The first solid form emerges. Cooling locks structure into place. Human oversight still matters. Imperfection never moves forward. Cleanliness protects quality. Invisible forces are carefully controlled. Technology sees what eyes can't. Only approved material continues.
Preparation is complete.
Controlled heat prepares material for transformation. Temperature defines strength. Precision is verified in real time. Timing keeps everything aligned. Shape is defined in an instant. Air gives form to function. Cooling locks the final structure. The bottle is born. Accuracy refines every detail.
Nothing is wasted in modern production.
Every cap depends on this moment. Strength is engineered, not assumed.
Consistency is measured at scale.
Order enables speed. Momentum carries production forward. Flow is never interrupted. Now, machines take the lead. Automation thrives on precision. Speed and care work together. Machines now see the details. Errors are removed instantly.
Balance keeps production stable.
Final refinement begins. Precision begins with alignment. Every dimension is verified. The seal decides everything. Strength is proven, not assumed. Clarity reflects quality. Uniformity enables automation downstream. Only perfection moves forward. Speed meets control. Verification stands between process and promise. Verification begins where speed slows down. Every batch must speak for itself. Strength is measured beneath the surface.
Resilience defines reliability.
Seals must hold under pressure.
Chemistry confirms consistency.
Data guards the process.
Approval unlocks momentum. verified products move forward. The journey nears its final steps.
Packaging protects every unit. Form is locked for transport.
Precision continues to the pallet. Stability ensures safe delivery. Storage bridges production and demand. Logistics complete the chain.
And this is how modern factories produce plastic bottles from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.